Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute alarm clock. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a big circle like this. Then I draw its 2 ears and 2 legs. I continue to draw clockwise. First is timekeeper. Then draw a minute hand. Then I draw a small circle inside like this. To make this alarm clock more adorable, I draw a little bear next to it like this, and his cute face. I also draw a cute face for the alarm clock. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color their cheeks pink. Then I use orange to paint this part. For 2 ears and 2 legs of the alarm clock, I use red. Brown to paint this cute bear. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!